Back at the 3 unit, and we are here to fix all of our Section 8 fun issues. We got 3 pages of stuff. We've hit Amazon, we have hit Home Depot, and now it's time to put this thing back together, get our reinspect, and then maybe, who knows at this point, but everything's on track, and we'll, yeah, I'm gonna start banging out this stuff. Our list is like 99% done. I've got 2 things that I cannot get done today because I got to go pick up my kids from school, but I'll take you through a quick tour and show you everything we did. So there wasn't anything in the kitchen. In here, I had to put 2 new screens in. Thank you, Amazon. And over here in the bathroom, I had to clean that light out. I had to put a little silicone disc in there. I had to clean the tub, and that was it in here. Over in bedroom number 1, I had to put a lock on it, which that's all it needs. A new window screen and a new smoke detector. Oh, and in here, I got to replace these 2 spindles. I didn't bring a saw, so that kind of stinks, but that we'll have to wait another day. In here, the only thing needed was screens. So we got 4 new screens for in here. And what else do we got? And then over here, we had to replace that outlet. Because there is no ground, I had to change it to a 2-prong. New screens as well. And then I also had to change that one to a 2-prong because there is no ground. New window screen in here, new window screen in there. I had to replace that one because one of the things was broken on it. And then I also had to write no ground on top of that. And over here, bedroom number 3. We got all of this banged out, so we're good. I was just marking this thing, and my phone's ringing. Well, maybe there's a ground there. I don't know. And the other thing I needed to do was put a smoke detector in bedroom number 3, and also between the 2 bedrooms and the den, I had to put a new one of those up as well. So, and then out front, there's an electrical box that everything is rusted in it. So I got to come back. I might send my contractor. I don't know. But the only reason I didn't send him for the entire list is I also have him working on 4 other projects right now. So, and I had the time. So if I had another hour, I could knock all this stuff out. But again, got to go pick up the kids because that's what we do it for. So hope this was helpful. And if you're looking for tips on Section 8 and also in Hagerstown, drop a comment. Happy to answer anything that I've been through, because I've been through a lot.